Let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, yellow color, dark green color, sky blue color, dark blue color, pink color, brown color.